Hello! In this video, we will discover how to run outbound voice calls using the Trikon Voice Platform. First, navigate to the Campaigns tab. Here, you'll find all your previously run campaigns. You'll notice an option for a new campaign. Click on the New Campaign option. It will prompt you to enter a campaign name. Let's use Test Video Campaign. For now, you can also add a description. Next, select the AI agent you created earlier. I'll choose the Mangalore Cake Shop agent. Now input the contacts. You can either upload contacts via CSV or add them manually. I'll go with manual addition for this demonstration. You can name the contacts. For now, I'll just add one contact. Feel free to add as many contacts as you wish. When ready, click on Create Campaign. This will direct you to the Campaign Analytics page where you can monitor metrics like the number of calls has sent. Once the campaign concludes, you'll be able to see the status, such as failed or a sent. I even received a call on my mobile. And that's how you create campaigns on the Trikon's Voice platform. Thank you for watching.